Hi, my name is Timothy Kim, and I'll be talking about the Google Calendar color scheme expansion. Just an overview of Google Calendar. This is what an average Google Calendar view looks like. This is the week view. There are three different views, a day, week, or a month. And as you can see, it efficiently makes and presents your schedule in color contrast between events. And it's all connected through all the other Google environments such as Gmail, and it automatically creates the events that are received through Gmail. And Google Calendar works through all calendars that are defaulted on your phone or any other calendars that you are using before. The problem with Google Calendar these days is that when there are many different types of events in one calendar, events that are completely different types will inevitably be the same color, as there are only a limited number of color options. The solution we are proposing is to expand the number of color options by implementing HSL, which utilizes hue, saturation, and luminosity of a color. This sort of color scheme is popular around many applications such as Microsoft Paint. The solution will eliminate the need to choose the same color for a different type of event and will help the user recognize events faster. Google Calendar has over 500 million installs in the Google Play Store, and that's not including the iOS Apple Store. And G Suite, the company version of the free Google's Office Suite, recorded 1.3 billion in sales according to Gartner in 2016. Our first team member is Michelle Aiello. He's a staff software engineer at Google for 8 years, and he was the tech lead and manager for Calendar iOS. His role is to change the software of the color scheme into the HSL color scheme. This is Nicholas Garnier. He will be our user interface designer, and his role will be to develop the most convenient interface with changing the HSL color scheme. And his job is to meet the user's needs in terms of aesthetic and usability. Our schedule is a 5-week period. It's a bit short, but it's a small change. The first 2 weeks, the team will be designing, planning out the process of implementing a new colors change system. And the third week will be the actual development and building of the code. Week 4 to 5 will be the testing and redevelopment and rechanging of the code and user design. The cost of this whole project will total to $22,000. $12,000 will be allocated to our software engineer, which is $60 per hour, and $10,000 will be allocated to our user interface designer, who is Nicholas Garnier, which is $50 an hour. In summary, users cannot distinguish between different events with the same color. The solution is to use a HSL, hue, saturation, luminosity color scheme to completely customize these colors so that users can identify them. And this will increase user accessibility, competitive edge, and user retention. Thank you.